We traded that. We had the bounce around for the 4K level. I still see it maybe moving a little bit down here to around 3.9, 3.8. And this is just part of that bounce, that typical bounce that it should have if it moves down that low. So we just had a bounce, and then we can go here, 4.2, fail around this zone, and then kind of build a new structure of consolidation similar to what happened previously. If you notice with gold, it just creates the same patterns because institutions are buying it. So they'll be buying all these dips. Maybe they're not buying it here. I don't know if they're buying or not, but that's kind of the tendency with gold. It's been bought after the dips, buys, and then creates a lower high, creates a lower low, and then starts consolidating, building up again, similar to this one as well, as you can see here, right? And then you have these kind of clean breakouts. We've had very, very clean breakouts with gold. So yeah, we can have a similar situation up here, come back down, create a lower low, consolidate, and then bull move up higher, or just come back down, reset. The RSI levels are going to be key here to monitor. This level here tends to be a nice buy-up zone from what I'm seeing. So when it hits around 40, 45, again, the reason why I use the RSI levels, algorithms are using them and buying around these levels. I'm assuming the banks aren't manually going in and buying. They're buying it level, and institutions, they're not buying it. They're buying it automatically with algorithms set to certain zones and levels. As you can see here, kind of proven that around those levels we can go lower. We don't have to go all the way down to 30 on this one, okay? If we go around this level, 45, 43, it's about a year now where we've seen that pattern happen. See, we've seen that pattern happen over and over and over and over again. Something clearly algorithmic buying, clearly automatic buying there around those levels. Silver. Let's look at silver here. So we have silver bouncing. We're going to get probably a rejection around here. We're going to get rejection. I just want to put an alert around the 49 level, maybe even 50 level there on that one. I want to look at bonds actually and see how they're performing. Bonds are going down. Okay. Probably have to watch this one the next few weeks. I'm going to add one here. See that kind of early shift. I think it's crucial here that we watch this just in case there's a shift in the bond market and security. So if the market is seeking security rather than risk on, monitoring this. And the other thing I wanted to look at was US oil. Big play on US oil.